Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we are tackling something that is ridiculously common, the auto glass rock chip.
Right.
It seems so minor, right? But we've gathered the sources, and our mission is to reveal the surprising, well, the economic and safety implications hiding behind that tiny fleck of damage. Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah, and the thing that jumps out immediately is just the incredible financial disconnect.
How so?
Well, drivers look at a chip and think, oh, I'll deal with that later. But that delay is, frankly, financially reckless. You are actively turning a cheap, quick fix into a full windshield replacement.
And that's going to cost you.
It'll cost you anywhere from, say, $200 to $500, maybe even more.
So the out-of-pocket for just the repair itself, that usually hovers between, what, $50 and $150?
Exactly. And for a standard chip, smaller than a quarter, you're typically looking at that very affordable $60 to $75 range.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
But here's the real insight. What's fascinating here is the insurance angle. Most insurance providers will actually waive the comprehensive deductible entirely for chip repairs. They want you to fix that $75 problem.
Wait, hold on. Seriously? They waive the deductible completely. That's why don't more people know about that?
I know, because your insurance company is looking at the math. They're telling you, we would much, much rather pay $75 today than $500 next week.
So for the driver, for you, it can actually be completely free.
Often, yes, simply because the insurance company wants to avoid that massive replacement claim down the road.
That economic angle is huge. But it all comes down to stopping one tiny bit of physical damage from spreading. So, what are we actually looking at physically?
It's just a small impact point, usually from road debris. It might look like a little star or a bullseye.
Seems harmless.
It looks harmless, but it immediately weakens the glass structure. And we have to stress the urgency here. Temperature changes, the glass expanding and contracting road vibrations, even an aggressive car wash.
Oh, wow.
All of that can cause that small chip to spiderweb into an irreparable mess within days.
Days. And the fix is so cheap and fast, it takes, what, 30 to 45 minutes to inject the resin, cure it with UV light, and then polish it. Is it actually strong enough, or is it just a cosmetic patch?
No, not at all. It restores the structural integrity of the glass to near original strength.
Okay.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, think about the windshield primary job.
Which is more than just keeping the wind out of your face.
Much more. It provides up to 45% of a vehicle's structural strength in a rollover accident.
Hold on, 45%.
45. And it's essential for making sure your airbags deploy correctly.
So if I have a crack, I'm potentially losing nearly half my rollover protection.
It's silly.
That completely changes how you should prioritize this fix.
It absolutely does. And the urgency increases even more with modern cars.
Exactly. Because a prompt repair preserves the original factory glass and, crucially, that original factory seal. That seal is critical because so many vehicles now have advanced driver assistance systems, ADS.
Your lane keep assist, things like that.
Right. And they rely on cameras and sensors mounted directly on the windshield. If that glass isn't seated perfectly, those systems can fail. Plus, you avoid a citation. Places like Oregon have laws against driving with damage in your main viewing area.
And that's why the speed and structural integrity of the repair matter so much. Generally, if the chip is smaller than a quarter and it's not right on the edge, a technician can fix it.
But once it spreads...
Once the damage is too large or it's directly in your line of sight, replacement is the only safe option. And now you've lost the benefits of that perfect factory seal.
So what does this all mean? It seems pretty clear. Waiting just increases the cost, and it really limits your safety options. That quick 30 to 45-minute fix is an investment in long-term safety and savings.
It is.
Especially when your insurance might just cover it completely.
Right. And maybe consider this. That tiny area of the chip versus the massive safety load the entire windshield carries. If one minor imperfection can compromise 45% of a vehicle's rollover protection, it raises an important question, doesn't it?
What other small things are we ignoring?
Exactly. What other small, overlooked maintenance points like brake wear or tire pressure might be carrying critical safety loads that we're all postponing? Never delay minor vehicle maintenance. The structural cost of waiting is always, always greater than the cost of the quick fix.